नेवारी दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई यहाँ यसरी आउनु भएर हाम्रो त्यता हिमालयको उसमा आउनु भएको म धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। सर्वप्रथम मलाई के भन्छ मलाई धेरै खुसी छ किनभने मलाई आज यहाँ युएनको मिटिङमा पनि भाग लिन पाएर यहाँ त्यता हिमालयकोमा पनि भाग लिन पायो। त्यो दुईवटामा भाग लिन पाउँदाखेरि मलाई धेरै खुसी लाग्यो र हामी सबैले यसै ल्याएर हाम्रो हिमालय बचाउनुपर्छ। अब अब मेरो भन्नुमा त्यति नै हो। अब धेरै खुसी लाग्छ। Colleagues, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to extend my congratulations and greetings to all of you for bringing this very, very important issue before the world leaders. As you know, the Nepal government, under the leadership of the Prime Minister, had organized a cabinet meeting under the lap of Himalayas, that is the Kala Patthar, to bring the attention of international community towards a very serious issue, that is the melting of glaciers in the Himalayas and elsewhere. We have adopted a special resolution to protect our Himalayas from climatic change that is going on in the earth due to the activities of the developed countries. We have brought the spirit of all of you that is expressed here in the highest level meeting inside the UN building, that is the plenary of the MDG. In addition, just this morning, we have brought this issue in a high-level meeting that was organized by us, that is a meeting of LDC, at the highest level, the General Secretary, the President of the UN, and the ministers, Prime Minister of Turkey, President of Turkey, Prime Ministers, ministers were there. We explicitly, clearly mentioned the after effect of the melting of Himalayas and the glaciers. And we drew their attention in the meeting. Just after that meeting, another meeting especially devoted to the biodiversity and the environmental issue in South Asia, we drew the attention of all leaders of South Asia and other international organizations. All of them have shown their concern. As you just mentioned, Apa Sherpa was there and still I think he is there. We left that meeting to participate in this important event. The Nepal government is very much committed, and I would like to extend my gratitude and thanks to the NRN and all Nepalese living here in the United States for initiating for this program and voicing the voice of all those people who will be victimized if the Himalaya continues melting and melting. Millions of people will be affected. So I would like to join my voice with your voice. Your voice completely reflects the voice of the Nepal government, Nepalese people, not only the Nepalese people, the people world over who want to see the ecological balance, who want to save the nature. So I once again would like to join with you and congratulate you and wish a complete success of your campaign. To this regard, I would like to express my congratulations to Minister Deepak Bohra and other friends who is taking all initiatives and putting your efforts to draw the attention of the UN, of the leaders of different countries, especially the leaders of the developed countries that are emanating more and more gases. We are not contributing to it, but we have to endure the burn of the climate change. Therefore, friends, we have to continue this campaign. I fully agree, as you have said, it is not only for today, but this is a campaign that must be continued by all those people who love to protect our nature, our Himalayas, our snow-peaked mountains and our future. With these words, once again, I would like to thank you all of you and want to express the full support and solidarity on behalf of the Nepal government and on my own.
Yeah. Let me tell you the background, because I think the issue few of our speakers has already explained that why Nepal, being a country of mountainous and top high peaks, out of 10, 8 is in Nepal, and the Himalaya is melting. That issue, why it has come, few of our friends have already explained. Now let me tell you that this is not going to end now here. We will start it from Kalapathar. Having a cabinet meeting in Kalapathar was a challenge, but at the same time was an event that really attracted international communities. Probably that was the only event which was covered all over the world. All those leading TV channels, the leading newspapers, they have covered it. And that gave us a mileage to the Nepal that there is an issue. The issue is melting Himalaya.
Globally. Not only that, millions of people, especially in South Asia,
We are trying to do it.
Democracy from conflict and war. 5 years later today, we are gathered here to save the Himalaya so that Nepal and the rest of Southeast Asia can have a bright future.
Himalaya sangam sudin kora, punar sangi salala, jangsa garma khama, sebda himal bicar musa khama, panko pak. Himalaya sangam sudin kora, punar sangi salala.
They have been object of adoration, center of religious movement.
हाम्रो एउटा जुन हिमालयको जुन सेभ हिमालय एउटा स्लोगन छ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले यो ठुलो ठाउँमा यो सेभ हिमालय कसरी सेभ गर्ने भन्ने कुरामा एउटा भाग लिने मौका पाएकोमा मलाई धेरै गर्व लागिरहेको छ। देशको झन्डा
र नगरी नहुने यो आयोजनमा मलाई त्यति राम्रो बोल्न आउँछ जस्तो मलाई लाग्दैन, तर एउटा कुरा चाहिँ म अवश्य भन्न चाहन्छु। त्यो के भने, एउटा कलाकारको नाताले मैले विभिन्न देशहरूमा भ्रमण गर्ने मौका पाएँ। कतिपय ठाउँमा नेपाली भनेर एकदम राम्रोसँग पनि परिचित भएको महसुस गरेँ, र कतिपय ठाउँमा तपाईँ कहाँबाट भनेर सोद्धा म नेपालबाट भन्दा नेपाल भनेर एकछिन टाउको कनाउँदाखेरि नेपाल माउन्ट एभरेस्ट भएको देशबाट आएको भनेपछि ओ माउन्ट एभरेस्ट भनेपछि बल्ल त्यो परिचय चाहिँ पूर्ण भएको मैले महसुस गरेँ। भनेपछि हाम्रो देशमा हाम्रो हिमालको कति महत्त्वपूर्ण स्थान रहेछ र हाम्रो परिचयको लागि कति सार्थक सपोर्ट रहेछ भन्ने कुरा मैले धेरै अगाडिदेखि महसुस गरेको कुरा हो। र बेला एउटा कस्तो भने दुःख लाग्दो कुरा, जहिले पनि सगरमाथाको विषयमा जब कुरा आउँछ, हिमालयहरूको विषयमा जब कुराहरू आउँछ, बेस क्याम्पहरूको बारेमा जब कुरा आउँछ, तब एउटै कुराहरू सुनिन आउँछ कि एकदम फोहोर भयो। अनि त्यो एउटा दुःख लाग्दो विषय हो। त्यसप्रति कसैले पनि सम्बन्धित निकायहरूले यति राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएको जस्तो चाहिँ अझै पनि महसुस हुन सकेको छैन। त्यसतर्फ एकदमै ध्यान दिन जरुरी।
Thank all of them for cooperation. All the press and media, we need your help. World leaders! No! World leaders! No! यसको साथ
आरोही शेर्पा दाजुभाइ र यहाँ न्युयोर्कमा अमेरिकामा बस्नुभएका हाम्रा सगरमाथा आरोही शेर्पा दाजुभाइहरूले यस विषयमा चासो देखाउनु भएर आउनुभएकोमा यहाँहरूप्रति धेरै आभारी छ। म उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। र उहाँहरूले गर्दाखेरि हामीलाई पनि, मैले हिमाल त चढेको छैन, तर नचढे पनि उहाँहरूको कारणले मलाई पनि शेर्पा भन्ने एउटा गौरव चाहिँ लिएको छु मैले। सोद्धाखेरि धेरै ठाउँमा
चाहिँ सोध्छन् शेर्पा भन्ने बित्तिकै अलिकति माने कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ त शेर्पा उनीहरूले सोध्दो रहेछ शेर्पा भनेको अजीबै जन्तु हुन् के हो भन्ने खालको सोध्दो
नेपाल रहन्छ नेपाल भए नेपाली रहन्छौ हिमाल रहे नेपाल रहन्छ नेपाल भए नेपाली रहन्छौ त्यसैले बचाऊ हाम्रो नेपाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई हिमाल रहे नेपाल रहन्छ नेपाल भए नेपाली रहन्छौ अमूल्य जडीबुटी हिमालमै फल्छ मेची र महाकाली हिमालबाटै बग्छ अमूल्य जडीबुटी हिमालमै फल्छ मेची र महाकाली हिमालबाटै बग्छ संसारलाई हिमालले नै लोभ्याउँछ संसारलाई लोभ्याउँछ हिमाल रहे नेपाल रहन्छ नेपाल भए नेपाली रहन्छौ त्यसैले बचाऊ हाम्रो नेपाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई हिमालमा हिउँ सधैँ पग्लिरहेछ विश्वको तापक्रम पनि झन्झन बढ्दैछ हिमालमा हिउँ सधैँ पग्लिरहेछ विश्वको तापक्रम पनि झन्झन बढ्दैछ यस्तै रहे सगरमाथा के हुन्छ भन सगरमाथा के हुन्छ हिमाल रहे नेपाल रहन्छ नेपाल भए नेपाली रहन्छौ त्यसैले बचाऊ हाम्रो नेपाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो हिमाललाई बचाऊ हाम्रो नेपाललाई थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद
साउन्ड गर्ने